4. The Great Molasses Flood, when Boston almost drowned in sugar syrup. Yes, this happened. In 1919, Boston was hit by a molasses tsunami. A giant storage tank filled with 2.3 million gallons of the sticky stuff exploded and sent a 25-foot wave of syrup crashing through the streets at 35 miles per hour. People and horses were swept away. Buildings were flattened. 21 people died in a desert-themed horror movie. Why? Because someone thought it was fine to store an absurd amount of hot, pressurized molasses in a shoddy tank in the middle of a city during winter. Spoiler, it was not fine. So technically, yes, we almost got wiped out by pancakes.